Hello beautiful people, what's up, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a tutorial with the Ardell Seamless Underlash. This one is in the style Wispies. So if you are ready to learn what to do, just stay tuned in and let's do it. Included in the kit is our bond and seal, our tweezers, remover, and then 4 different lash styles, 10, 12, 14, and 16. So first I'm going to go in with the bond, and I'm going to use this and really just focus this on like the base of my eyelashes. This is going to act as our glue. Be careful with this because this glue is strong and it is kind of sticky and it will kind of get everywhere if you're not careful. So just make sure that you really just apply it at the base of the lash. For my lash map, I went in with a 10, 2 12s, and 2 14s. So first I'm starting off with the 10, and this is all you do. It's almost like a pattern. Lift up, stick, let go. That's pretty much it. So just lift up your eyeball, stick the lash down, and let go. Just like that. Lift up, stick, let go. Now I will say it took me a couple times to get it right or get like that rhythm down, and then I also had an extra mirror on my lap just to make sure that I really had it stuck down. So keep that in mind too, but that's all you have to do is lift up, stick, and let go. At first, I was going to go in with a 16, but it just looked too long to me. So I just ended up swapping it out for another 14. So again, my lash map was a 10, 2 12s, and 2 14s. Like I said, that bond is sticky. So just make sure that you don't get it too close to your other lash line because it will catch on and it will stick. So that's why you keep seeing me separating my eye to make sure that like I don't glue my eyes shut. And then this is the first lash map, and now you can see the difference between before and after, and this really doesn't take long. So now I'm going to use the seal, and then same thing, I'm just going to concentrate at the base of my lash line and then just use this to help me get that 10-day wear out of the set. Now I'm just going to go in with that bond and do the same thing on the other side. Honestly, once you get the hang of it and you do it a couple times, like granted this was my first time doing it, but you know, even using this pack, just kind of playing around with it, once you get it, this really only takes you like 10 minutes. Genuinely, all you have to do is just use your bond and then lift up, stick, let go, seal it, and you good. Now I will say also too, after you have applied the lashes, just use your tweezers, just kind of gently kind of pinch the lashes to your natural lash first before you seal. You'll get better longevity. Don't do what I did. I kind of messed up a little bit. And then also make sure that you're not getting this on your skin at all of your lower lash line, because oh my god, you'll irritate your eye really bad. So just keep those tips in mind when you do this, but other than that, it's virtually easy. It really takes less than 10 minutes to get this done, and you have lashes that'll last you for at least a week, you know. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If there's anything else that you want to see, then just let me know down in the comments below. And here we have the final look. Lash, lash, lash. And then we're done. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.